Today, we're going to open 5 rolls of quarters, and this roll is ripped open, so let's start with this one. I'm going to sort them, and I'll be right back with the finds from this roll. From that roll, we got one from the 60s, it's the 1965. One from the 70s, it's the 1972. These are from the 80s. These are from the 90s. I already looked through the other coins. Nothing super special. The last thing that we have to do is see if any of these are the West Point. We got a Philadelphia, a Denver, a Denver, a Denver, a Denver, and a Denver. From that roll, we got some coins from the 70s, a 1989, and some coins from the 90s. In that roll, we got a couple coins from the 60s, no silver though, 66, 67, and 66. These two are from the 70s, 80s, and these are from the 90s. We got one 2000, let's see if it's the West Point. It's a Denver, and this was a 2020. We have one more roll after this one. I'm hoping that we find some silver. From that roll, we got coins from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. We also got a couple more 2020s and 2019s. This one's a Denver. This one's a Denver. And this one's also a Denver. No silver quarters. I'll let you know what we find from this last roll. We got one coin from the 70s, one coin from the 80s, and a couple coins from the 90s. In that roll, we got 2 bicentennials. And then we got one 2020. This is the last chance for a West Point. And it's a Philadelphia.